Today I'm going to teach you how to improve Amazon Music quality. This is a great way to enhance your listening experience by getting the best possible sound from your music library. Let's dive in and get your audio settings optimized. First, open your web browser and navigate to music.amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to access all your music and settings. Now, here's something important to note before we proceed. In order to enable the audio quality setting, you must first upgrade your account. If you're using a free account, you won't see the audio quality setting available. Since I'm using a free account for this demonstration, I'll show you where the setting would be located once you've upgraded. This upgrade is essential for accessing the higher quality audio options that Amazon Music offers. Once you have a premium account, look to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From that menu, select Audio Quality. This will take you to the dedicated page where you can customize your sound preferences. On the Audio Quality page, you'll see different options for streaming quality. Look for the setting labeled HD/Ultra HD and check the circle beside it. This enables the highest quality audio streaming available on Amazon Music, giving you crisp, clear sound that really brings your music to life. The difference between standard and HD quality is quite noticeable, especially if you're using good headphones or speakers. Next, you'll want to adjust another important setting. Find the Auto Adjust Quality option and check the circle beside on. This feature automatically adjusts your streaming quality based on your internet connection, ensuring you get the best possible sound without interruptions or buffering issues. It's a smart way to balance quality with performance. And there you have it. You've successfully configured Amazon Music for the best possible audio quality. Remember, these settings will only be available if you have a premium subscription, but once you do, you'll enjoy a significantly better listening experience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.